YouTube. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish back with another one. I'm not gonna lie, bro, it's been what? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's been about 4 days since I've been fired, bro, and I cannot lie. Life is still going good, you know what I'm saying? I really have not been stunning too much of looking for no jobs. I know a lot of y'all been waiting for me to make a video on my next company and all that stuff. Sadly, when I choose my next company, I am y'all probably won't get a video until I'm actually rolling. Like, y'all will not get a video of my company until after I'm like already on the road and I did like my first route and all that stuff. Like, I'm still gonna record it, but y'all not gonna get the video until after I know for a fact I'm rolling. Like, once I start rolling, then I'll drop the video. But anyway, yeah, it's been 4 days. As y'all can see, bro, I've been so stressed out, bro. My car is still packed from the 4 days ago, bro. Like, I ain't even came out here and cleaned out my car. I ain't even drove nowhere. And if I did drive, I've been driving my mom's car. Like, I just been at home, bro, chilling. I did get my last check from Swift, which was yesterday. No, was it yesterday? Because today was Saturday or today Sunday? I think today is Sunday. So Friday, I did get my check Friday. I got a $800 something check, or $700 something. No, it was $700. I got a $700 check for the Friday, and then they still owe me a check next week Friday. But I've just been at home chilling. I am a gamer, so I've been playing my game and stuff. I don't know if y'all will be too interested in watching me play the game or anything like that, so I have not been live streaming that. But that's all I've been doing, bro. I've been at home just chilling. I still got to check my DAC report, which is the driver. I forgot the acronym for it, but I have to check that because if y'all watched the last video that I dropped yesterday, I talked to the driver leader that I had, and she was telling me like I might have to call safety and all that stuff to see if they can appeal, to see if they can appeal the reason why I got terminated. She was also telling me that I can easily fight that, and I can be and I can go back to working. But I had to go through I probably go through orientation stuff again, which is so dumb. Which, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm done with Swift all in all together, bro. I still have to call my the VA person, the VA rep. I have to call him because he's the one that got me onto the apprenticeship. If y'all don't know, I kept talking about the apprenticeship since I've been with Swift. That was one of the main reasons why I would not leave them, is because of the apprenticeship. But after, bro, it's crazy how everything played out, because I literally called the VA apprenticeship guy maybe about a week and a half before I got fired, asking him, like, I had asked him, I was like, can I put a pause to this and go to another company and just get it switched over? And he was like, yeah. But before, he had told me no, bro. So like, it was a whole bunch of stuff like going on with the company, bro, that I hadn't even spoke on about, which I'm probably gonna plan. Like, probably my next 2 or 3 videos is probably still gonna be about Swift. Like, I'm probably I got a video coming about the pay, because y'all asked me about the pay. So I'm gonna drop all the pay studs with Swift. I have another video dropping as well for Swift. I'm gonna talk about like my the route and all that stuff. I'm actually gonna go deep dive into the route and my route plan and all that. And then the last video is probably just gonna be me talking about some stuff that y'all did not know about. Like, I'm just gonna put y'all on game, because there's a lot of stuff about Swift that y'all did not know about when it comes to just being them. But dang, I'm stuttering. When it comes to them being a company all together, it's a lot of things that y'all just don't know about. So I was gonna talk to y'all about that, and then I'm gonna be done speaking on that company. I also been reading all my comments, bro, and bro, y'all are funny, bro. A lot of y'all saying like, let it go, bro. Like, you got fired, just find another job. Yes, bro. Like, I'm not even stunning it, bro. As y'all know, I am a content creator, so I'm gonna make my videos, bro. Like, I'm just gonna drop videos, and I'm gonna maximize my opportunity, bro. Like, I feel like me getting fired was nothing but God, bro, because I was already talking about quitting, and Is that my dog? Okay. That's not. But yeah, I was talking about quitting and everything, and then I just so happened to get fired. It do suck that I got fired because I wish, like, had I known, I would have just quit it beforehand. Especially after finding out about the apprenticeship, I should have like quit it that same week, bro. I'm not gonna lie, because now I really feel like although they saying there's something on my DAC report, I have not checked my DAC. I have not checked the DAC report yet. So I do notice you got to do a little process on your phone or something online to get a request for your DAC. Unless it's something else that I could check, but I'm pretty sure I gotta go online and actually do a full report to see what's on my report, because if they put that on my report for like driving distracted or driving something like that, I'm pretty sure no company's gonna hire me, especially if I got that on my report, because that just looks bad, bro. So that's what I got going on. But tomorrow, bro, hopefully tomorrow, because like I said, bro, I've been at home all day. I'm a gamer, bro. 2K just came out. If y'all don't know what 2K is, that just came out. I've been playing it all week. Like, I really haven't went nowhere. I just been in my room all day, bro. Like, tomorrow, I'm probably gonna finally get all this stuff out my car, because I literally have all this stuff in my car from when I got fired and cleaned out my truck. So I had to clean out my truck. Well, I actually got to clean my room up too, because I got all that stuff that I brought the first go around from my truck in my room. I just have not organized anything, bro. I just been so like, I've been like out of it, bro, really. And yeah, I'm also thinking if I should just do full content for a minute, because I do know I want to be a content creator, bro. Like, now that I got fired from trucking, bro, I really just want to focus strictly on content, because that's mainly like that, bro. That's my main goal in my life, is to be a content creator. Like, I want to be a content creator. I want to be known for being a positive influence on the youth, bro. And that's what I'm all for. So that's mainly why, another reason why I was trucking. I just had to have my camera, because it's like I wasn't getting no benefit out of it. Like, I was not getting no pay. Like, I was working for them for 6 months, and I did not see $1,000 paycheck not once, not one time. I didn't even gross 1,000. Matter of fact, like, I didn't even gross 1,000. I think the most that I grossed was about, I want to say $800. That was the most I grossed. So like, I was not seeing $1,000 not at one point with Swift. But I just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all, because I did not make no video today. I actually haven't made no video in 4 days, bro. I literally just been using the clips that I made at Swift at that terminal. So I had to come on and chat it up with y'all. But I really appreciate all the love and support, bro. I see, bro, y'all been running up my, bro, y'all been spamming my comments. Y'all been running up my subscriber count and everything. I really appreciate that. I'm also, I have not been feeling good either, so that's no reason why I have been recording. But
bless me with, no matter what gift I got. Y'all gonna forever hate me.
Our next video, bro, which will be tomorrow, I'm gonna actually give y'all a vlog, bro. So y'all stay tuned, man.
I'm not worried about none of that shit. I'm trying to get rich. I'm chasing the bag.
Yeah, just stay tuned, bro. I love y'all. Boy, fish out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast. We've been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keeping the flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko. Play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be chicken, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me.